tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube account permanently. First, I'm going to show you how to do it on desktop or PC and then on mobile devices. Firstly, what you have to do is of course, you have to go for youtube.com and make sure you're logged into your account you wish to delete. Now, make sure you are aware once you delete this, you are not getting it back. So that is one thing to keep in mind. So once you're logged in here, you are going to select your profile icon on the top right here and then head down to your channel. Once your channel opens up, you are going to head down here to manage videos. Then you are going to head over here to the left, scroll down to you see settings, select settings, then up here to channel, then over here to advanced settings, and then scroll down until you see manage YouTube account. Then you are gonna head over here to advanced settings, then right here delete channel. If you select this and then confirm it, and that's all there is to deleting your account on YouTube. So now I'll show you how to do it on mobile devices. Now the process is a little different on mobile devices, but I will guide you through it here. So firstly, what you have to do is just open your YouTube application on your mobile. Make sure you're logged into your account that you wish to delete up here. And in the top right hand corner, you want to select on your profile icon. Then you have to select manage your Google account. Once that opens up here, you can select if you have multiple Google accounts or multiple YouTube accounts. You can just simply select a little drop down arrow here and choose what account you would like to delete. I will stay on this account. Next, you want to select the data and privacy tab. Once that opens, you want to scroll down all the way down until you see something that says delete a Google Drive right here. Select that. So you have to enter your password. Click on next. Then you can see here I have a Gmail account with Google and a YouTube account. So if you wish to delete your YouTube account on your mobile device, all you have to do is select this little trash icon right here. It's going to have one more permission that you have to agree upon, that this is a permanent deletion. So make sure you want to do this because there is no getting it back after you do so. So hope you found this video and tutorial informative. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.